Hello everyone, take a circular sheet of paper, stretch your hand out and then put your middle finger in and trace the outline as such. Add the shape of fur on one of the ends and then draw the eyes, draw the nose, the ears, the teeth at the top and then draw a hanging tongue. At the base, draw a little collar to it as well. After you are done with this, begin to color it in. We have chosen the colors yellow and green and brown. Next, take a circular sheet of paper, cut out the shape of the bark of a tree. At the bottom, take some green clay and then slightly spread it out. Use it as grass. Use a fork in order to stretch it at the top to make it look like grass. Take a tissue paper and then using a marker or a highlighter, color it in lavender and pink accordingly. Crush up these sheets into the clay of the bark. Next, cut out the shape of a leaf out of some paper. Take the shell of anything such as a walnut shell and then using a lead paint or a marker, paint it in as such. Then use a black marker in order to draw the dots at the top of it. Add glue to the base and then stick it on your leaf. Then add the little head to it, add antenna and draw on the legs of the little ladybug as well. Add multiple of these. Take an orange clay and then spread it out on a circular sheet of paper. Spread it out over half of it and then take some peanut shells, arrange it in this shape accordingly. After you have done this, take a black marker and then on the white sheet, draw on some leaves and then some branches as well. Draw on the little leaves and all of the details along with it. Take little balls of clay and then stick it on top. Add little markings to it. Next, taking the shape of your hand, fold it, draw on the tracing and then draw on the eyes, the nose and the little teeth as well. At the top, draw on the fins of this dinosaur. Color it in as you please. Take a circular sheet of blue paper. At the bottom, add some white to it. Add 2 strips of tape on one of the ends and then stick earbuds on top of each other. Add a little house to it and then add a snowman to the side. Using some peanut shells, draw on the deer and then make little stairs out of some toothpicks as well. Next, take a black circular sheet of paper, add multiple bits of tape to the bottom, make them strips. Then cut out some fruit foam net, stick them all around the tape. Add 2 more strips of tape and then stick multiple earbuds on top of it. Add a little roof to it. Now on the sides, add some leaves so that it looks like a tree. Add a little snowman using white paper and red paper as well. Next, take an empty egg carton and then make multiple slits in it after cutting it out. Curve the edges, paint it in white, add a yellow center out of clay to it. Make multiple of these and then take a red sheet of paper and then make a little ladybug out of it. Paint some of it in red as well and then draw on the legs and the hands using the markers. Draw on the green stems of each of these as well. Stick them on a sheet of paper. Thank you for watching.